got a dump truck here, right? So most people probably don't know you always need a spotter. So here's the number one thing you do. You look in that mirror right there and you say, are you ready? All right, come on back. Put a hand out, give them a line. I'm standing right where I want the material. Watch, see me? See the ground? My arm, she's backing in. Watch my fingers. Keep coming, keep coming. All right, stop. Go ahead and bring her up. It's really that simple, just communication. Now watch. This is my favorite part. This really pisses off neighbors. Orlando, say what up!
What's up?
Woo! Pro Transport, right there. That's the man. All right, later.